Yes, so I wanted to go over a drill for the pendulum sweep today for your at-home grappling. So the pendulum sweep, if you don't know it, this is going to be abstract, but it's still a great drill, and I'm imagining, even if you don't know the drill or the sweep and you practice this, you'll be better at it when you get a partner again. Okay, so imagine you have someone in your guard, right? And then you take a 90-degree angle on, right? So I'm going to face you guys. Here, I'm in my guard, right? Take that 90-degree angle, underhook like this, right? So I've got under their leg, and then I'm going to rock here and there. Make sense? So we need a couple of pieces here. We need first our post and turn, right? And it's kind of tricky without a body, but it's good practice for your abs. Here, up, angle, right? Get that angle here, imaginary underhook. Then you want to curl your body, roll onto your shoulder, kick, and come up. One more time for you. Maybe you practice 20 times on each side, 10 times on each side, I don't know. Some practice. Here, foot comes down, turn, right? That foot in reality will be on your partner's hip, and you'll be able to pull on them too because you'll have this leg on top of them. Right? From here, imaginary underhook. Curve your body, roll up onto the shoulder,